Hello students, in today's class we are going to learn one amazing Vedic matrix, that is how to find a square of a 3-digit number. So let's start the class. So here we have number 104 square, right? We want to find out the square of 104. So what is our first step? So by normal method it will take around 1 minute, right? But don't worry, we will see a short trick here. So we have 104, right? So we want to multiply 104 with 104. Now, what is our first step? We will take our number 104, right? And we will add the last two digit in our number. So, what is last two digit here? That is 04 or 4 itself, right? So, we will add 104 with 4. So, my answer is 108. Now, what is my second step? My second step is I will multiply the last two digit, that is 04 here, 4 itself. So, I will multiply 4 with 4. So, my answer is 16. So, now I will write both the numbers together, that is 10816. So, this is my answer. Very easy, right? So, whenever you have 3-digit number and you want to take square of that number, so your first step is take that number and add the number with the last two digits. Now, whatever answer you got, add that answer with the multiplication of last two digit with itself. So, now write the numbers together, so that will be your answer. So, this was the first example. Now, let's see one more example of this. So here we have 112 square, right? We want to find 112 square. So again, here we want to find 112 into 112. So again, we will write our number 112 here, and then we will add the last two digit here. So what is last two digit here? 12, right? So we will add last two digit. So now my new number is 124. Okay. So here you will write 124 here. Now again, you will multiply the last two digit with itself, that is 12 with itself. Okay, so 12 with 12, you will get 144. So this is your second number, 144, that you will write here. Now after this, see, this is the second case when your last two digit, it is greater than 10. Okay. So in this case, what is the first step? You will take your number, you will add the last two digit. Now whatever answer you got, you will write it separately. Then you will multiply last two digit, that is 12 here with itself. Then you will write that answer separately. Now after this, you will add the last digit of first answer and first digit of second answer, that is 4 plus 1. So your final answer is 12544. So this is your answer. Very easy, right? Let's see one more example for this. So we have 116 square, right? So again, we will write our number 116 and we will add the last two digit, that is 16 here. So my answer is 132, right? Now after this, I will multiply my last two digit with itself, that is 16 into 16, that is 256. Now I will write both my answers here, 132 and 256, and I will add my last digit of the first answer and first digit of the second answer. So that is my final answer is 13,556. So this is my final answer. So we have discussed two cases, right? When the last two digit is greater than 10 and when the last two digit is less than 10. Now let's discuss one more example of both the cases, okay? So here we have 106 square, right? So here it is lie in the first case because the last two digit, it is less than 10, right? So we have 106. So first we will write 106 and then again I will add the last two digit here, that is 06. So my answer is 112. Now again multiply the last two digit with itself, that is 06 with 06, that is 36, right? So here we will multiply 6 with 6, that is 36, and now just write the answers together. So your final answer here is 112 and 36. So 11,236 is the final answer. So this was the first case. Now the second case here, the last two digit, it is greater than 10, right? So again, you will write your number here, 115, and you will add last two digit, that is 15 here. So your answer is 130. Now you will multiply 15 with 15. So here your second answer is 225. Now in your first answer, you will add the last digit with the first digit of the second answer. So your final answer here is 13225. So this is your final answer. So 13225, this is your final answer. So this is the trick we have discussed today, that if you have any 3-digit number, then how to find out the square of that number. So this is very easy Vedic matrix to find out the square. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, then follow Sister Class for more such content.